next piece that we're going to be doing is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Made famous by Judy Garland in the film The Wizard of Oz, that smash hit film. This arrangement, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more upbeat, a little bit more driving, but still has those same wonderful melodies that we all know and love. The song from the film has often been used in recent times as a symbol of hope and optimism, and that there is always a brighter future, maybe just around the corner. So it's just a little sentiment that we could possibly just all bear in mind. But less from me, more from the band. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Somewhere Over the Rainbow.